In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple design but very detailed in Canva. So if you're ready, let's go. Let's add our image, right click on it and then set it as a background. Add the same image again. Scale it. So we need to make sure that our image aligns well with the background. So let's adjust it. Yeah, it's okay now. Alright. Click on position, go to layers and then select the background. Click edit, and we want to edit only the image. So click on the image, select new draft. So we are not really seeing this because it's this one that we are applying the effect, the background that we are applying the effect to. Okay, so we are just making sure that our image arrange well with the background. So now that we have our background, let's click on the background, go to edit, image, and then make it blur. So select all and click on blur. So you want to blur the whole image. I think 40% is okay. Then come and select the second image and crop it. So select the second image and then I'll go to stroke and increase it to 30. I'll change the color to white. Then I'll select the image and edit it. So we are done with that. Let's add our text. Okay, so guys, this is it. You can also try something simple like this. Just get creative online. Thank you for watching.